How to fix webcam not showing up in Zoom meeting. So basically when you're opening your Zoom meeting and you're going inside your meeting, what you can do is, let's say I want to start a meeting. I can click a new meeting and then it's going to open this up. Now from over here, I can click on this camera icon and from here choose the camera. So right now I don't have any camera plugged into my PC. That's why nothing is showing up. But if I did have some camera plugged in, I could select the camera from here, click on start, and my Zoom meeting will start. Now if you're already inside the meeting and your camera is not working, in that case, just click on this arrow right beside the video, and from here what you want to do is click on video settings. From here just click on video, and from here you're going to see camera, so select the camera. If you have a camera plugged in, it's going to show up in this slider. Select the camera and you can close it. Once your camera is selected, your camera should appear over here. If it still doesn't appear, that means basically the connection of your camera with your PC is lost. Maybe the cable is disconnected or the cable is has some fault in it, so fix that. All right, or maybe your camera is not working because it's broken, so try to fix that as well. That's how we guys can fix camera issues in Zoom meeting. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.